Moving to or from Ethiopia has its challenges, but don't worry because 3 Movers is here to help. When making an international move, you need a team of professionals that have experience. Our reliable container shipping services make international shipping a breeze. 3 Movers doesn't only help you load the items and unload them at your destination. We help you with all the paperwork and the logistics. We understand that making an international move to or from Ethiopia can be extremely stressful, but when you hire 3 Movers, we take away the majority of the stress by making sure all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. Our team will dedicate plenty of time to make sure you receive the right services for your international move. We can even help you move your car, truck, ATV, bike, RV, boat, and/or heavy equipment. Feel free to give us a call anytime at 888-908-6496. Our friendly staff will be happy to answer any questions and arrange a free quote. You can also get a free quote online by filling out the form, which takes only a few seconds.